Anthropic moves up the stack. The launch of Claude Design and the battle for the creative workflow Anthropic has officially signaled its intention to move beyond being a mere provider of AI models. With the launch of Claude Design, the company is stepping directly into the territory of established design giants like Figma, Adobe, and Canva. This new tool, released as a research preview for paid subscribers, allows users to transform conversational prompts into polished visual assets ranging from interactive prototypes and slide decks to marketing collateral. It represents a massive strategic shift. Anthropic is no longer just building the brains of AI, it is building the actual tools people use to work. From prompt to prototype, a new creative workflow Claude Design is built to feel less like a technical interface and more like a collaborative conversation. The workflow is designed to be iterative and intuitive. Generative creation. Users describe a concept, and Claude generates an initial version. Fine-grained refinement. Instead of manual pixel pushing, users can refine designs through chat, inline comments, or custom adjustment sliders that control layout, color, and spacing in real time. System integration. During onboarding, Claude can ingest a team's existing codebase and design files to automatically adopt their specific typography, colors, and components. The closed-loop advantage. Perhaps most importantly, Claude Design features a seamless handoff mechanism. A finished design can be passed directly to Claude Code with a single instruction, moving a project from a rough idea to production-ready code within a single ecosystem. Early adopters are already reporting massive efficiency gains. The education tech firm Brilliant noted that complex pages requiring 20+ prompts and other tools could be recreated in just 2 using Claude Design. Similarly, Datadog reported that what used to be a week-long cycle of briefs and reviews has been compressed into a single conversation. A strategic collision with Figma, the launch is not without controversy. The timing is particularly pointed following the resignation of Anthropic's chief product officer, Mike Krieger, from the board of Figma. While Figma and Anthropic have previously collaborated most notably through Figma's Code to Canvas, Feature Claude Design represents a fundamental shift in the competitive landscape. The user base shift. While Figma is built for trained professional designers, Claude Design is accessible to founders, product managers, and marketers. Anthropic is effectively expanding the designer user base to include non-designers. The integration versus replacement debate. Anthropic claims the tool is interoperable, citing export options for Canva, PDF, and PPTX. However, by offering a standalone, end-to-end creation suite, they are challenging the very necessity of traditional design software for many workflows. The engine, Claude Opus 4.7, powering this new capability is Claude Opus 4.7, a new vision model that offers a significant leap in performance. Key technical upgrades. Enhanced vision. The model can process images up to 3.75 megapixels over 3 times the resolution of previous versions. Coding and AMP. Logic. It shows marked improvements in software engineering and instruction following, outperforming its predecessor on key benchmarks. Safety-first design. In a unique industry move, Anthropic has deliberately dialed back certain cybersecurity capabilities in Opus 4.7 compared to its more powerful, restricted access sibling, Claude Mythos. This ensures the model is highly capable for design and coding, without posing the high-level security risks associated with Mythos. Enterprise readiness and the full-stack ambition for large organizations. Anthropic is addressing privacy concerns by stating that it does not train on user data and that design. Systems are stored as representations rather than full source files. For enterprise customers, the tool is off by default, giving administrators full control over deployment. The financial stakes are enormous, with annualized revenue reportedly climbing toward $30 billion and talks of a potential 2026 IPO underway. Anthropic is executing a high-speed expansion. By offering a suite of interconnected tools Claude Code for developers, Claude Design for creators, and Claude Cowork for assistants, Anthropic is attempting to own the entire lifecycle of digital production. Conclusion: Anthropic is transitioning from a research lab into a full-scale software powerhouse. By bridging the gap between natural language and professional design, they are not just assisting the creative process, they are attempting to redefine who can participate in it.